Hi, mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. So for today, let's do this. I have this idea to show you guys how I record my videos and actually different recording pockets that I have in our home, just to show you that you don't need to actually have a huge space. So I'm planning to record a few videos today, so I'll bring you along and I'll tell you how I actually set it up. But before we get started, I have to take a shower first. And yeah, so if you like this type of video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. So, oh my god, I'm perspiring. Let's get started. Okay, now the funny thing is I don't even have a proper tripod. I think I have, but I'm not so sure how to record this video. So before I even take a shower, this is how my video setup looks like. I do have a big window here, if you can see, so I use natural lights. I think I made a video about my this setup, and I also have a ring light here. Later I'll show you, but I don't know how to record it, but I'll show you how I record it. And yeah, my vanity lights, which I usually switch on when I do record videos, and later on you'll see me how I arranged my backdrop and all, and see the magic, if you will. So now I really have to take a shower. I'm perspiring like crazy, and okay, so I just finished taking a shower, and while I was taking a shower, I was thinking like, oh my goodness, how am I going to film this video? Or do I still, you know what? Yeah, that's better, right? So I was able to find my tripod. So I just decided, okay, maybe just show you my filming setup and also at the same time record a video. Yeah, so now I'm going to bring you over here so that you will actually see how this setup looks like before I actually film a video. My camera just showed that it's a memory card error. So this is how this side actually looks like. If you notice, this area is from another, once you enter a bedroom, is this. So I would have a table here where all my gears are, the lights, the rig that I have, my makeups, my vanity mirror. And if we turn this side, this is what you usually see, but now it's a mess. One of the shelves actually fell, and actually on top is like where I hang my clothes, our towels and all. And yeah, so I'll put this down on the table, then you'll see how I actually set this up. Okay, I haven't filmed with this G1X camera for quite some time, so I have no idea how is this going to look like. I didn't use any of my lights yet, but yeah, so this is my area now. It looks like a mess. Oh my goodness, my face is like, anyways. So usually I have to clean this up first. I guess it depends on how your aesthetic is, but for me, I like to look at things. So when I record videos, I always think that what if I was watching this video, would I like to see clutter, even though in real life there is clutter. So I just have to remove all this. This kept on falling. I'm using, yeah, so I have to figure it out. Then I have all this, so it's easy for me to chuck everything. I have this, so maybe I'll just put it here first. Okay, it looks nice. My physician formula, so I have to hide it, like put it on top of the table. Then this, I still haven't framed it. Okay, so looks good. So usually that will be my backdrop, but then I don't want people to see this, so I have to remove it. shift everything. And if you notice, this is actually what you guys see when I record my videos. If I move the camera and then I just need to like change it. So now I'll use this to record maybe the videos, but then I would put some lights. So I'll be back. Okay, so I actually forgot. So usually I would move all this to one side so that I'll be able to put the tripod and all, but usually I would use this, but since I'm already using this camera, we'll just stick to it. And sorry if the audio would not be so good, but yeah, so I would shift it nearer so that you guys can actually see. So I'll put everything one side, then I would have enough space to actually set up my tripod, which is, yeah, so I got this at, I think, IKEA. Okay, then I'll be back. Okay, so now it's all arranged, and yeah, this is how it actually looks like. I just put on the Ulanzi, one of the Ulanzi lights on top of the camera, and I switch on my vanity lights, and of course I can put this higher as much as I want to, but then I still want, I just want to be lighted up. It's like lights coming in, and it's so warm today. My hair is still wet. I'm not wearing makeup. I haven't even done my skincare yet. So usually this is how it looks like. So this is just a door. It's the cabinet door, and I bought this at, I want to say Daiso, but I'm not so sure whether did I buy this in Daiso. So this is actually what you usually see when I film. You can still see this, but usually when I film, I would crop it to like a certain dimension that this will be cut off. And if I'm doing my tutorials here, you can still see me. I can adjust this so that you guys won't be seeing. See, if I move this, oops, Victoria, if I move this, you would actually see that. So yeah, then sometimes I'll be putting on a table and a chair, then you would just see this. But nowadays I just feel like I just like filming standing. It's easier for me. I don't need to put a table and a chair. Yeah, so I'll do my skincare and whatnot, and maybe put on some tinted sunscreen, then I'll be back to show you the rest of my filming area. Okay, so I just finished recording a video. I was supposed to record a foundation video, but I changed my mind because I want to finish this tour, so I have to keep everything. So I do have this like IKEA dresser and drawer. Can you actually see? Wherein I will keep all my things. My makeup, my skincare is kind of messy. If you want to have a tour, let me know at the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to show you what I have, or what are the things that I actually hoard. So yeah. And then this is like some things that are clothes, because if I do film my video and this camera is like up like this and I'm standing like this, you don't see anything. I would only remove this when I actually am sitting down. But now let's close this closet door. Cha-cha-ching! And I need to switch this off. I only have these lights now. So let me bring you to the other side of the room, and then I'll show you another place where I usually record videos. Okay, I don't even know whether you can see or hear me. So this is the other side of the room. This is where I usually film my videos. There's this curtain, and now I have to take you. Wait. Hi. Oops. I guess my tripod is not that high, so this is the other side of the room that you don't actually see. But I do have another filming set up here. So watch me how I set this up. I guess you guys have seen me film videos on my bed, but I guess you also see me film videos here. So let's get started and set this up. Okay, this is not a good angle, but as you can see, this is my other filming setup. I don't usually use this, but shall I use my phone and show you guys how it actually looks like? Now it doesn't look so bad, but because the camera is way lower than me, I'm not so sure. But this is where I usually film I'll try to put some inserts of video that I actually use this to film. I usually just have a table here so I can actually put my things, and then usually I would have another, it's not even a tripod, but yeah, so usually I film videos using this. I do my Motivation Mondays with this backdrop. I purposely did this so that I can have another wall that I can actually film in. Our bed is here, so usually this chair is full of things, and I would just chuck everything, and I would have a few more lights, but it's all the Olanzi lights, the ring lights, because this place is not as bright as the other side wherein I'm filming right across a huge window. But so I film my unboxing videos, my Motivation Monday videos, and other videos that doesn't necessarily need you guys to see my pores up close and personal. But I just want to spice things up. So then when I don't use this, it's actually easier for me to set this up because I just have to chuck everything one side, like whatever on top of this chair, and I would just take out the foldable table and I would just set it up and all. That side is a little bit harder because I have to take out our clothes and clean whatever I need to clean. But again, it only shows that you just have to have a wall, and just a clear wall wherein how you want to film your videos. If you want to have a tour of what are actually the items here, maybe I'll do another video for that. But for the meantime, this is my second filming studio location. My god, the light is so blinding. I hope I'm not like blown out once I see myself editing this video. So let's go to the next one. Okay, now we're outside my room. So, kita ba siya? Hello. So this is where I'm supposed to do my DIY and craftings. I haven't used this yet, but it's been set up like since last year. So can you see it? So I got this wherein I can actually put my phone so that it would get a good shot of this. And then all my artsy craftsy things are here. And this is my photo wall wherein I usually can take photos if I wanted to. And yeah, and all my other things. And this is actually in our dining area. Ching ching ching. This is how it looks like. It's in front of also the big wall. And this is where I edit my videos. So I usually do live videos when I'm here. I also get ready at this side. So I have my video cam. So I'll bring you to the other side, and yep. So this is my editing table, which is beside my craftsy table. And this is our dining area, if you can see, messy. So our laptop, ROG, Asus ROG, I guess. So this is my Logitech camera, which I usually use. I would try to insert videos. Yeah. Okay, hi guys. So this is how it looks like if I'm recording my video in my editing place with the Logitech. I forgot what it is. Pro Webcam C920. Yeah. Videos later that I'm using this. So my makeup station, because I get ready here in the morning, and if I want to do live or video chat with my sister, we're here. So yeah, so let's go back inside the room. Okay, so that's it for the tour. I do hope that you guys have learned something. I'm showing you all the different places that I actually record my videos, so that you'll be inspired that you actually don't need a huge space to actually start recording your videos. You don't even need to have like this. You don't even need to invest on this. When I started, you can actually see the cabinet, or you can actually see my bed. Is just start, and then once you have time and you have the money, then you can start on investing on things that you think would be aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. But again, it's not about your backdrop. It's not about whether your equipments are expensive or not. You can actually use your phone to actually record your videos, and as long as your content is good, I guess then your channel would actually grow, and then you would have more subscribers, people would watch you. So why am I rambling? Because I'm tired. So if you like this type of videos wherein I share with you guys behind the scenes, how do I actually film, what are the gadgets that I actually use, how I film my videos, yeah, let me know in the comment section below. And what else do you want me to share? I'm this type of person, you just ask me and I would just share it. So leave it down in the comment section below. And maybe if you like this content, an old lady, yes, I'm old, rambling, teaching you how to do things about life or anything under the sun, please give this video a big thumbs up, and maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I try to upload videos at least once a week. So, till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing to everyone you meet. Bye!